also getting extremely creative. Let's go across to Priya to know some of those interesting reactions coming in from Lalu Prasad Yadav. Priya?
Yes, Swati. So budget generally is considered to be serious stuff, but netas are going about their business. But this one is not business as usual. We have Lalu Prasad Yadav, who's tried to, well, I'll give him full marks for trying at least, put together a poem of sorts to describe what his take is on today's budget. He says, एक घिसा पिटा हट है ये बजट, जुमलों की रट है ये बजट, गरीब और किसान के सपने कर रहा बंजर है ये बजट, आम आदमी के दिल पर खंजर है ये बजट. I will not even make any attempt to translate this for our viewers. It is best said the way it has been put by Lalu Prasad Yadav. Now then coming to Rahul Gandhi. He is not mincing his words, however, Swati. He says this is a kursi bachao budget. Appease allies, hollow promises to them at the cost of other states, appease cronies, benefits to AA with no relief for the common man. AA here, obvious reference to Ambani's and Adani's because he has been saying that in the past as well. Copy and paste Congress manifesto and previous budgets. Now, he talks about hollow promises to allies. Ideally, that would mean the allies of the government would be upset about what has been given to them because according to Rahul Gandhi, they are hollow promises. But now let's get to the reactions that have come in from the two biggest allies of the NDA to whom these promises have been made. First up is Nitish Kumar. Now remember, there has been a lot of buzz around special status demands allegedly being made by both states. The other parties in both states have also said that they have been cheated because special status has not been given. However, the man here at the helm of affairs in the state is happy with what the state has been given. He says, आज केंद्र सरकार द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया बजट सकारात्मक एवं स्वागत योग्य है. It is positive and we welcome it. He goes on to detail what all has been the allocation to his state and ends with a heartfelt thank you to the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. He says all these announcements will take Bihar forward on the path of progress. Then we come to Chandrababu Naidu. Chandrababu Naidu has also managed to secure 15,000 crore rupees at least just for the capital project of his. Amravati, remember, has been his flagship dream ever since he came to power the last time around. And today, he says Andhra Pradesh has won, the people of Andhra have won. He has also expressed his gratitude to the government. Significant victory is a result of the hard work of the workers that he says. He's thanked here Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, JP Nadda ji for their commitment and others as well. So allies are happy, opposition is not.
Right. Priya, thank you very much for getting us those reactions. A very quick look at another gem on social media. This one says with a picture, of course, of Nirmala Sitharaman. It says, गरीबों को मिली सब्सिडी, अमीरों को मिला रिबेट, मिडिल क्लास तुम टीवी देखो, तुमको मिला डिबेट.